Nation pays homage to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, on his 150th birth anniversary today. Manipur reveres Mahatma Gandhi on his birthday, observes National Cleanliness Day to mark Gandhiji's birthday. And Education Minister D.H. Radhesham assures of positive change in state's education sector as Human Resources Ministry has sanctioned 480 crore rupees for the same. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Nation pays homage to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, on his 150th birth anniversary today. A series of functions have been organized across the country and by Indian missions abroad. President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, Home Minister Amit Shah and several union ministers, BJP and opposition leaders paid floral tributes to Mahatma Gandhi at his Samadhi, Rajghat. Prime Minister paid tribute to the father of the nation at the Rajghat. In a tweet, Prime Minister said, expressed gratitude to Mahatma Gandhi for his everlasting contribution to humanity. He also said, we pledge to continue working hard to realize his dreams and create a better planet. State government also pays homage to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, on his 150th birth anniversary today, which is also observed as National Cleanliness Day. Speaking at the event held at GM Hall in Imphal, Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla said Mahatma Gandhi was a pioneer for peace and led India's freedom struggle by using non-violence as his most powerful weapon. The governor maintained that Gandhiji campaigned for a clean mind, body and environment, was strongly against inequality, and he aimed to bring unity among communities residing in the country with love and peace. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar stressed the need for clean water, stating that the Nambul River water was once used for cooking and household purposes, but the river is highly contaminated today. Yumnam Joy Kumar urged people not to pollute the river and other water bodies. Cabinet ministers and top officials of various departments attended the event, but Chief Minister Nongthong Biren, IPR Minister D.H. Biswajit and both the inner and outer MPs were absent in the event.
Our present Prime Minister has added a new vigor to the cleanliness drive and made it more impactful and meaningful when he launched the Swachh Bharat mission on 27 October 2014. He declared the day as a non-holiday to the government workers and staff and urged them to take cleanliness to their office and workplace. He also urged all the Indians to devote at least 2 hours per week to clean their surroundings.
The people have got all this concept of cleanliness, unique concept of cleanliness. I'm really surprised that today, instead of leading in our march to cleanliness, we are lagging behind and we are not taken care of. Cleanliness has also to do quite a lot about your mental cleanliness. It is also important that mentally you are clear, mentally you are clean, then you will be able to think better, you will have better, you will be able to look towards your fellow beings with a better outlook and with a better approach. And from that itself will come the cleanliness of the surroundings.
Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham today disclosed that the Ministry of Human Resources has sanctioned a budget of 480 crore rupees for enhancing education sector of Manipur. Speaking at the sidelines of the 150th birth anniversary observance of Mahatma Gandhi at the Conference Hall of Education S in Lamphel today, Minister Radhesham assured of a positive change in government schools of both hills and valley regions of the state in the near future. He maintained that building buildings, labs, library and smart class facilities will be constructed in the schools without further delay. The Education Minister expressed pride that Manipur secured the top position among smaller states in India in the recent School Education Quality Index SEQI 2019 declared by National Institution for Transforming India (NITI Aayog). He gave credits for the achievement to teachers, students, parents, guardians and various student organizations of the state. Minister Radhesham asserted that the months-long birth anniversary observance of Lamyan Bahija Mirawat and Mahatma Gandhi, organized by the Education as Department in various schools of the state since September 26, will ensure a positive change in the state. He maintained that Education as Department will release a journal based on knowledge inputs from students after the month-long observance, which concludes on October 25.
Central government HRD dagi akoida lupa crore samriga 80 some adu ma pire maram hana 250 crore phangmane na double mu hela pire masi pira kosi pharak padagi adu impact na akoi classroom kya sarakini laboratory kya sarakini computer aided learning akoi tawrakini smart classroom yarakani aduna matam khara changani thuna makti khudakta ubadi madudi ubo phangmai adu khara mayamna visible oiba ubireisne adu mayamda akoina hajaridi negative comment pirakwa positive comment pirakwa comment pibirakwa mayamdura akoina learn tawjaraga aduragi lakshin jaraga mayam cooperation ngasi sirako.
Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham celebrated the 150th birth anniversary of the father of nation Mahatma Gandhi along with students and teachers of various schools today. Education as Commissioner T. Ranjit and Director T.H. Kiran Kumar accompanied the Education Minister on the occasion. They visited Iboton Sana Higher Secondary School in Uripok, Dondon Sana and Thambau Macha High School in Lamboy Khongnangkhong and Imphal West Residential School. Minister Radhesham inspected the condition of Iboton Sana Higher Secondary School and assured to upgrade the infrastructure of the school.
Mahatma Gandhi Saiji tongan magi principle mayama philosophy mayam lei madudi non violence means sauraga so sawana bonar ga so saudan leidong amba khang kan ba adigi hingsa tawdaba khana chainaba yum lo so imung lo so imai paga siraw so oda sing na hara ko oda sing na sauna daba satra masil imana bising khana daba sawi wakal adigi violent oi wakal se masi tharo pa dum principle ke magi non-cooperation movement support.
National Leprosy Eradication Program and State Leprosy Units Manipur also observed the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi at Health Directorate campus. Sparse Leprosy Elimination Campaign SLEC, which aimed to eliminate leprosy, which began on October 2, 2018, also concluded today. Speaking on the occasion, Director of Health Services Dr. K. Rajo said that leprosy is a curable disease if treated on time. Stating that leprosy medicines are available in government health centers for free, Dr. Rajo appeals to leprosy patients to avail the facility without any hesitation. Dr. K. Rajo also launched a post-exposure prophylaxis PAP by administering rifampicin tablets to people as preventive measures on the occasion. He also flagged off a rally participated by Health Directorate staffs from the Health Directorate. The rally concluded at Electricity Department, Lamphil.
Manipur leprosy case koina ataki sparse leprosy campaign da 21 detect wi masi mangda 6 na grade 2 disability lai adagi animana grade 1 ne sumai tawdana laina si nariba mi duna su masi uthoktaba haidokhtaba mi ma masasi narbo di mangondagi imu manungda laikai da sandokpa yai basi kanbiraga adagi masagi su disability lakpa yai habse kanbiraga masi treatment tawtobi gadabani aduna koin leprosy muthatpa sida mayam changna mateng pangbiu yakoi ju department gi site gi honaba yab honajage.
Bishnupur District Police also observed the birth anniversary of Gandhiji today. A police team supervised by Bishnupur Police SP L. Priyadashini carried out cleanliness drive in various parts of Bishnupur District, including CI College, Bishnupur Road and campus, Lokoi Part, Bishnupur Bazaar on the occasion. Many police officers and personnel took part in the drive. Cleanliness drives were also carried out at various parts of Hairok Part 1 on the occasion of Gandhiji's birthday. Hairok Part 1 Pradhan El Khamba led people in cleaning up the surroundings. Armed Forces Ex-Servicemen Association Manipur also held Gandhi Jayanti and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Pakawada event today. Members of the association carried out cleanliness drive at Polyclinic in Korengay, Imphal East. Plastic wrappers for medicines at the clinic were replaced with paper bags on the occasion. They also placed bamboo dustbins around the clinic. 182 Battalion BSF Korengay carried out a cleanliness drive under Swachhta Hi Seva campaign from Korengay Bazaar area till BSF campus today. Commandant of 182 Battalion BSF Nitin Gupta led the drive, urging people to stop usage of single-use plastics. JCLPS carried out eviction drive against immigrants today. Members of Awang Sekmai Nong Thongban Youth Club, Awang Sekmai Advanced Women Society, Sekmai Protection Committee Apex, Sekmai Nagar Panchayat and JCLPS checked vehicles plying on national highways during the drive. Convener of the committee, YK Dhiren, said that the committee has been taking major roles in trying to protect the indigenous people of the state since 2012. Asserting that many individuals have lost their lives during the protests, he condemned President of India, Ramnath Kovind, for not giving his assent to Manipur People Bill despite repeated requests by the state government. Stating that such drives will be conducted along Imphal-Dimapur Road, he declared that members of the committee, along with local clubs and Myra Paibis of different localities, will carry out eviction drive against immigrants in the near future. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Imphal West Police Team seizing 600 cases of Indian-made foreign liquor last night at Moirangpok, Ahaibam Lekai. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. Imphal West Police seized 600 cases of 14 different varieties of Indian-made foreign liquor last night. Police team supervised by Imphal West Superintendent of Police K. Megachandra and led by additional SP Operation L. Amarjit, DSP Commando T.H. Thomas, DSP Commando R.K. Roshan, OC Commando Imphal West P. Achauba and ASI K.H. Boni carried out frisking operation at around 11:30 p.m. at Moirangpok, Ahaibam Lekai under Patsoy Police Station in Imphal West. The combined team seized the liquor carried by two persons in one Tata truck bearing registration number AS09AC0627. The miscreants are 40-year-old Mutum Roman, son of Mutum Tolan from Yagangpokpi, Goltabi, and 35-year-old Chanam Deben, son of CH Mohindro from Kongjom, Kebaching. The seized liquor and the arrested persons were produced before Imphal West Commando Complex today. Imphal West Additional SP Operation Lamabam Amarjit stated that the arrested persons have been handed over to Patsoy Police for further investigation.
Ngarang October tang ama da khoi nungdang pung tara mukta da khoi paw ma phangbadagi kaithel manbegi moidang pokki area amda khoi fishing checking chathar ba matam da tata truck ama yam chingna ba mong lakpadagi khoina detain tawje adugi tata truck to khoina check to matam da moi ani tongami dui maming di amana mutum roman amana chanam deben mawani check to matung da khoina gari du mung check to bukanda Indian made foreign liquor case satruk khoina hujiki truck sidagi recover to bangam jakhi hujiki oina gari du yorok driver ga hinderman jiga noina case satruk che khoi Patsoy PS ta makhata ba necessary action tawna ba hoje khoi gi Imphal West ki makai di kan hona je.
Imphal East Commando team conducted a surprise cordon search operation at Mahabali Kabui village in Imphal East district today. The team led by Imphal East Additional SP Operation T.H. Krishna Tombi and Additional SP Thangkot Chon Haukip carried out the operation from 6 to 6:30 a.m. and verified altogether 70 people. No one was arrested during the drive. A team of Kaching district commandos seized a large amount of contraband WY tablets last evening around 5:30. The team confiscated 632 WY tablets from 31-year-old Ketrimayum Mahesh Kumar alias Momo, son of Ketrimayum Sanayaima from Kaching Mayai Lekai. He was carrying the drugs in a Suzuki Swift car bearing registration number MN08A0325. He was taken to Kaching police station for necessary actions. 64th World Wildlife Week observance on the theme "The Future of Wildlife is in Our Hands" kicked off at Kaibul Lamjao National Park today. Chief Conservator of Forest and Wildlife W. Yaiskul launched the event by flagging off a cycle rally from Kordag Dam located at the northern side of Kaibul Lamjao National Park. Many people residing around the park took part in the event organized by Environment, Social Reformation and Sangai Protection Forum, Kaibul Lamjao, along with Wildlife Wing's State Forest Department. The rally spreading the message to save wildlife passed through Kumbi, Kaitel, Moirang Kunau and concluded at Kaibul Lamjao.
Humfumari suba wildlife week si akoi taibang mina khoi sanga jing jibu ngakpi dragadi moi gi punchi si leite haibadu gi thimdu da ne khoina pangthok jagadoi je hayeng na khoi gi zoo foundation de ga mari leina na zoo da akoi gi ani suba numit ado pangthok jani ahum suba numit na Manipur gi court ke diam da pangthokani mari suba da na photo exhibition manga suba da na debate competition taruk suba numit suba di suti hoigra ade tareta khoi state function hoina akoi gi chief minister akoi gi honorable forest minister
All Manipur Muslims Meitei Pangal Welfare Association held its 26th Foundation Day celebration at the association office in Minuthong Hatar today. The association also felicitated the newly elected chairman of Manipur State Minorities Commission Anwar Hussain and chairperson of Manipur State Hajj Committee Maulana Abdul Salam on the occasion. Leaders of the association and many people took part in the event. Now the sports news. Fit India Plog Run, titled Pledging to Keep India Clean, was carried out at Kuman Lampak Sports Complex and its surroundings today. The first Fit Plog Fit and Clean in the world was held at Sweden in 2016 and India started the event in 2018. Manipur Olympic Association joined the Indian Olympic Association and National Sports Federations in holding the event today. MOA's Senior Vice President Dr. G.A. Ibo Pishak, General Secretary Sunil Ilangbam and eminent persons of the association along with many people took part in the event.
Sports kilamda khongdariba organizer amadi sports person citizen mayam amana leiriba samasigi phattaba asoiba mayam sengdoknaba amadi agoi plastic na chingba tongan kaya ma mafong kaya chaithokpagi sinapam khangda tariba mayam je sengdoga afaba samaj ma sembagi afaba lambi mafam ma semnabagi honabagi adugi pandamda India government gi wakhalon ga loinana Indian Olympic Association of National Sports Federation gi aduguma mayam seng aduga loinana India da pangthorpa loinana Manipur da sum aduguma program se pangthona bagi message ma bagi lediba aiwe gi magi degi lakhiba aduga mari lena ngasi numel sida sikumba plastic na chingba lambi da taba masi as a part of the sports ka moina jogging gi amade koi gi ledu walking gi running gi loina na masi mayam si mang da tarameba phattaba mayam sung khundokpagi adugumba program amakak.
Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Nation pays homage to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, on his 150th birth anniversary today. Manipur reveres Mahatma Gandhi on his birthday, observes National Cleanliness Day on the occasion. And Education Minister T.H. Radhesham assures of positive change in state's education sector as Human Resources Ministry has sanctioned 480 crore rupees for the same.